but because of Majority Leader being here to introduce the nominee, I'm going to start with Senator Mitch McConnell. Thank you. Go ahead, sir.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chairman, Senator Klobuchar, Senator Durbin. It's my distinct privilege to introduce Judge Amul Thapar of Kentucky to this committee. The President has nominated him to serve as a judge on the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit. I want to commend President Trump on this nomination. Though through his hearing, I think you'll come to see the bright, fair, and dedicated man who will make an incredible addition to the Sixth Circuit. Indeed, on Monday, the American Bar Association gave him their highest rating, unanimously well qualified. When President Bush nominated Amul to be United States District Judge for the Eastern District of Kentucky, the Senate confirmed his nomination by voice vote. I return today to speak again in strong support of his nomination to the Sixth Circuit and urge the committee's favorable consideration. Since joining the federal judiciary in 2007, Amul has established a reputation as a keen legal mind who applies the law fairly to all who enter his courtroom. He's made an impact on his community, both on the bench and off. For example, he takes an active role in education, fostering the next generation of students, whether he's coaching a local high school's mock trial team or founding a chapter of the street law program, which sends law school students into underprivileged high schools to teach the foundations of our legal system. Judge Thapar has served as an adjunct professor at the University of Virginia School of Law, Vanderbilt Law School, and the Northern Kentucky University Chase College of Law. He previously taught at Georgetown University Law Center and the University of Cincinnati College of Law. Amul was the first South Asian American to become a federal judge. In 2015, he received the National Asian Pacific American Bar Association's Daniel K. Inouye Trailblazer Award for paving the way for other Asian Pacific American attorneys. Recently, the association has endorsed his nomination to the Sixth Circuit, noting that he, quote, has demonstrated his excellence as a fair jurist who has the integrity and intellect to serve ably on the appellate court. Obviously, I couldn't agree more. What you'll also find in Judge Thapar is a jurist who is always looking for innovative ways to further the cause of justice. In September of last year, he implemented the first Swift Certain Fair program in the country. From its inception, the program was designed to reduce recidivism rates by ensuring that post-conviction offenders who violate the terms of their supervised release are sanctioned promptly and in proportion to the violation, while also properly including program incentives to encourage positive behavior. Even before he began his service as a district judge, Amul distinguished himself in the legal field. After graduating from the Bolt Hall School of Law of the University of California, Berkeley, he clerked for Judge Nathaniel R. Jones of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit and Judge S. Arthur Spiegel of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Ohio. After litigating complex cases in private practice in both federal and state courts, Amul served as assistant U.S. attorney in both Washington, D.C. and in Cincinnati, Ohio. Because of his outstanding work as an assistant U.S. attorney, Amul earned a well-deserved promotion to be the U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Kentucky in 2006. With this new assignment, Amul built relationships with state and local law enforcement agencies to root out public corruption, vote buying, and racketeering. He placed a special emphasis on internet safety, speaking to groups about the dangers of online child pornography and child exploitation. Quickly becoming one of the most respected U.S. attorneys in the country, Amul was appointed to serve on the Attorney General's Advisory Committee of U.S. Attorneys. He continued to address the pressing issues facing Kentucky as the chairman of the Controlled Substances and Asset Forfeiture Subcommittee. As this hearing progresses, you will see that Judge Thapar is a well-qualified jurist and a man of integrity. He'll bring a top legal mind to serve on the Sixth Circuit. Not only has Judge Thapar found great professional success, he has a wonderful family, which is very proud of him and his accomplishments. his wife Kim, their sons Zachary and Nicholas, and their daughter Carmen join him today, and they're right here to my right. I'd like to recognize Amul's mother, Veena Bala, and his father and stepmother, Raj and Rama Thapar. I'd also like to recognize retired Sixth Circuit Judge Nathaniel Jones, who is here to support his former law clerk. Also in attendance are several of Judge Thapar's former clerks. With a distinguished record of public service, Amul is prepared to continue to serve his country, this time on the Sixth Circuit. I appreciate, Mr. Chairman, this committee's consideration of his nomination. I look forward to his confirmation, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to make this introductory statement, and I wish you all and him well.